G'day, I'm Charles and today I'm here to demonstrate for you the Woodfast WL3040A heavy duty wood lathe. Woodfast offers woodworkers like you reliable, high performance woodworking at an affordable price. This heavy duty Woodfast wood turning lathe offers all the key features you need, including a powerful 3 horsepower variable speed motor, remote magnetic controller, super heavy duty build, and the world's first electronic lathe bed extension. Stick with me as we go through the details and learn why this machine is perfect for your workshop. This Woodfast heavy duty lathe comes with a very powerful 3 horsepower variable speed motor, powered by a single phase inverter fitted with a 15 amp plug. This motor provides all the power you will need for the massive 794mm swing achievable with this lathe. This lathe features a remote magnetic control box that may be attached anywhere to the lathe. This lathe also has a high visibility RPM digital display so you can easily manage your settings from a distance. The lathe spindle will rotate in both the forward and the reverse direction. The controller has an emergency stop and a no volt relay switch, so if the power disconnects and then reconnects unexpectedly, the lathe won't automatically start.
Yep, this lathe weighs in at just over 300 kilograms.
The cast iron components and heavy duty construction give this lathe an extremely sure footing, reducing vibration to a minimum. This of course is very useful when your new lathe features an electronic bed extension. Woodfast products are not only known for their reliability and performance, they also boast an international reputation for innovation. Behold the world's first electronically controlled lathe bed extension. This Woodfast innovation means you can extend the centers of your Woodfast lathe from a respectable 508mm out to a whopping 1016mm, simply by turning a knob on your remote controller. At the same time, you also expand the swing from a healthy 590mm out to an unbelievable 794mm without any increase in the lathe's footprint and without the need to swivel the headstock. You can even buy a cast iron bed insert that allows the banjo to slide right up to the headstock perfectly if you want to keep the lathe bed extended indefinitely. Talking of banjos, this Woodfast lathe features a super heavy duty banjo with a 12-inch wide tool rest. Topped with a solid steel round bar, this ensures your turning is smooth and even. An equally massive tailstock slides easily along the polished steel bed. The tailstock has a generous 120mm of travel and includes a discreet storage area. The headstock spindle is a very standard M30 by 3.5mm thread and features 36 indexing positions. That's 1 every 10 degrees. Both the headstock and the tailstock have an MT2 taper. All the handwheels are made from polished steel. There is even an outrigger caddy for all your lathe tools. The Woodfast WL3040A heavy duty wood lathe has a comprehensive range of speeds in 3 stages, ranging from 20 RPM right through to 3,850 RPM. Check out the Woodfast website to learn more about the lathe speed settings. The speed of your lathe is easily controlled via the remote magnetic controller. The lathe belts are easily accessible via the access panel. Together you have full control over your lathe speed, allowing you to work efficiently and safely late into the night. Your new Woodfast lathe is supplied with a standard set of tools including a knockout bar, spanners and Allen keys. Included is a 60-degree live center, a spur drive and an 86mm faceplate. Also supplied are 4 rubber floor pads. Everything you need to make your lathe stable. Available separately is of course the lathe bed extension insert and mobility wheel kit, just in case you wanted to take it on a vacation. If you want the most innovative wood lathe on the market, then check out the Woodfast WL3040A. This Woodfast lathe offers enthusiasts, educators and pro woodworkers reliable, high-performance wood turning at an affordable price. Get in and see a Woodfast dealer today or visit us online at woodfastmachinery.com.au. Thanks for watching and see you in the workshop.